Okay, today we're doing Jungle Giants, Come and Be Alone With Me. Just a short riff that goes through the whole thing. It's in standard tuning. I'm going to use a pick so y'all can hear better, but you can use your fingers if you want. All you're going to need is a little flexibility and you'll get it pretty fast. Okay, let's go. In this song, we're going to be alternating between the 3rd and 4th strings from the top. We're going to start with our forefinger on the 6th fret of the 3rd string, and then move it to our pinky on the 9th fret of the 3rd string. So it's going to be, and you want to really feel that stretch in your hand, like purposely stretch it out sideways. If you just do your comfortableness, it might make the note sound a little dirty. Okay, so you're going to start with that. Then you're going to move your forefinger over to the 6th fret of the 4th string from the top, and move your pinky over to the 9th fret of the 4th string from the top. So 6, 9, 6. Okay, so 3rd string. You hear that? You see that? Okay. So you're really just gonna repeat that the whole time, and that's how simple it is. So 6, 9, 6, 9, 6, 9, 6. You just repeat that the whole time, and you got it. Good job. Thank you for watching. I hope I brought you some value today. I'm here to bring you from Guitar Tabs all your favorite underground songs and put them on YouTube so you can see them. Stuff that the guitar tutorial overlords did not do. Screw those guys. So subscribe here, I got you. Drop a suggestion in the comments if you have any, and have a great day.